Hey guys, it's Sid with SVT Performance, and it's a beautiful morning here in South Carolina. But August mornings in South Carolina, you know what that's going to bring with it. It's a lot of dew because the atmosphere is basically like clam chowder. I mean, it's thick out here, lots of humidity. And as you've seen in the videos we've been posting with this Bronco Raptor that Ford loaned us out, we've taken the doors and roof off of it and everything. And we decided to put our BronCover on it because it's going to sit outside. I'm not going to put all that stuff back on, even though it only takes like 30 minutes to take it on or off. I don't want to burn that hour every day, so we just put our BronCover on it. Now, if you guys don't know what this is, BronCover is a South Carolina company that makes covers for your Broncos, not just Bronco Raptor. They do 2-door and 4-door Bronco, and we actually worked with them with our Bronco Raptor to create, this is the actual first prototype. We've had this thing for a few months now. We use it with ours, and as you can see, it fits fantastically with all the larger fenders, things like that on the Bronco Raptor. We've got no roof and no doors on this thing right now, as you can see, but it keeps your interior nice and dry. This is waterproof material. It's sort of the same thing that's used as boat canvas, basically. Really nice stuff. You can sort of see here on the backside, it's like rubberized, so no water is coming through this. It can rain on it and it's fine. You're not going to get your interior soaked. Like I said, we worked with those guys to use our Bronco Raptor as a prototype, and this is what they came up with. This was actually the first prototype Bronco Raptor cover. Fantastic piece. Really happy to work with them, and it works really nicely. If you guys are interested in seeing that video where we did the test fitting process and everything, I'll put a link in the description below. We also have a link that goes over to BronCover if you want to buy one. It's an affiliate link, so if supporting them supports us, helps the channel out, gets you a nice little discount too. I think it's like free shipping and everything. So definitely check that out. It's a really nicely made product. If you buy one of these, you're supporting American jobs in South Carolina. You can see it's really nice. Also, don't do this, but because you have cameras on the front, back, mirrors, and all that, you can drive short distances. Don't do it though. Don't do it. I may have done it, but don't try that at home. It will work, but don't do it. But this thing it really fits nicely. I hope you guys like this. I know I have enjoyed it. It's kept the interior on this Bronco Raptor in really good shape, and ours as well. So if you're interested in one, check out the links in the description below and head over to SVTPerformance.com. We've got links to all this kind of stuff and more detailed photos of like how this attaches and things like that. That's over on SVTP, links in the description below. And definitely check out that first video where we test fit this thing. It's really super simple to install. Just rolls on, rolls off, rolls up, comes with a really nice bag. And depending on if you have a Bronco Raptor or not, other Broncos, it'll come with some accessories to help like pop the center up, because there's no center support between the roll cage sections on other Broncos. Bronco Raptor has that nice cross member behind the front seats. So check out BronCover. They make a really nice product, and I really like helping guys out, supporting them that support our local community. So check them out. Links in the description below. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.